Hi guys, welcome back to another video here. I am super excited to bring you guys this new video, and in today's video we'll be talking about how to make her scared to lose you guys. If you want her to be scared of losing you, you want her to come begging for your love and for your affirmation, stick right to the end of this video guys. I have a lot in stock for you. So the first thing you need to do if you want to make her scared to lose you is that you need to package yourself well as a man guys. I don't mean trying to impress her or trying to be who you are not because of her love, but then it is the other way around. Try to do something to attract her. Girls like some certain things in guys, so start doing those things to attract her guys. Improve your confidence as a man, exhume your masculinity guys, show off the traits that you have as a man, and she'll come begging for you. She'll know that you're a man that should not be compared with guys. So if you want to take advantage of this, start dressing well, start improving the way you speak, like using your bass tone, and start examining your confidence as a man. Don't let her control you, and you start seeing that you start loving you more guys. Next thing you need to do if you want to make her scared to lose you is try not to be available all the time guys. Try not to be there always for her, because give her some time to miss you. I know this sounds absurd, it doesn't look straight and all, but when I was learning it, I felt the same way totally, but now I'm using it to my advantage, and I want that for you guys. Try not to be available all the time. What do I mean? I mean, try to do something busy. Try to get busy with your life. Try to get busy with your purpose guys. The more time you have for your purpose, the more time you are putting into your life and making yourself better, the less time you have for her, and the less time you have for her, the more she starts to chase you guys. And this works like miracle. It works like it's a very good formula guys. So put this into test and it will start to work for you. If you are always there in her DM, the moment she sends you a text you are replying ASAP, the moment she calls you you are picking all the time, even in the midnight you are always there to reply, bro, she's not going to miss you in any way. She's not even going to feel like losing you or feel like you're chatting with someone or you are with someone guys. So I noticed this because some women don't feel like they miss you or they're jealous of you and all, but the moment they start to notice you are cheating, they start to feel insecure, they start to chase you the more if she really likes you, and that is what you want guys. I'm not saying you should try to be a bad boy and not reply her and all, but once you are on your purpose, be on your purpose, work on yourself, and once you are free, you can reply her. Don't just be available all the time guys. That's it. If you're enjoying this content so far, I know you do want to smash that subscribe button for me, and also like this video. I really appreciate it guys. I upload content on relationship to help you fix your relationship or move further in life, and some other things that I'll be uploading later in the future. If you don't want to miss any of my relationship video, do want to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification bell, and let's continue the video guys. So the next thing to do if you want to make her scared to lose you is that you always need to be there for her in her life, in everything she's doing, in her endeavors. I don't mean you should try to carry her life on your head but whenever she comes for your help, you are always assisting her monetarily, with your wisdom as a man, with your protection and all. Perform your responsibility as a man and perform it well. In that way she will need you. Sometimes girls like you. There's one thing to like someone, and there's another thing to need someone. There's a difference. When you need somebody, you come back to miss them no matter how much you like them or not. Even if you don't like them, you will always come back to meet them because you need them. So that's just how it is. The more you make her need you, the more you make her dependent on you, the more she likes you and the more she loves you guys, and the more you won't be scared that she's going away. She herself, she won't be scared that she's losing you because she needs you. So if it's the monetary aspect, if it's for the protection as a man and all those things, try to always be there guys, and she would start being scared of losing you. Next thing you need to do if you want to make her scared to lose you is that you need to get chased by other women guys. You need to get chased by one or two women, because this is very important. If she doesn't feel like women are coming for you, she doesn't feel like other women want you more than she does, she's not going to be scared of losing you guys. Your value is tied to how much girls you are rolling with, how much girls want to always be around you, how much girls want to call you, want to give you that video call, that voice call, or even want to see you guys. So that's just it. If you don't have any woman in your life, she has the upper hand because she can just do you anyhow. The moment she knows that you're talking to 1 to 2 girls that can easily take her place in your life, bro, if she likes you, she is going to work herself up, and she's going to be scared to lose you guys. So that's just it. It's as simple as anything. Try to get 1 or 2 girls, or no matter the amount that you are just talking to aside from her, and it can change your game, guys. So the next thing to do if you want to make her scared to lose you is that you need to care less as a guy, guys. You need to not be scared of her losing you. It's either two ways. Both of you can't be scared of losing yourself at the same time. It doesn't work that way. Either she's scared of losing you or you're scared of losing her. So you need to care less about all these things, guys. And how can you care less about all these things? You need to start talking to other women, guys. You need to have other women in your life, so you will feel this feeling of abundance. Yeah, you feel this feeling of abundance, and the moment she's feeling like she wants to leave you and doing all this shakara, women now. So you won't be scared of her losing you, and your emotion won't be flare up and all of that. You feel like you have some sort of replacement. So that's just how it is. Care less as a man. Do all these 5 things that I've just told you, and trust me, your girl will come begging on your DM. Even if you are wrong, she'll come begging for you, guys, and that's just how it is. Apply these things that I've told you, and I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. That's the end of this video. Do all to smash that subscribe button and also like this video. I would appreciate that, guys, and peace out.